Okay, so I have my first object here. It's going to be a pair of scissors, and looking at my composition, I'm going to place it nice and large right here. So the first thing I want you to do is when you are starting with your first object, I want you to kind of sketch it out and sketch it out very lightly with your pencil and just get the general form down so that you can kind of see how large it would be on the paper. So I'm going to lightly sketch my general form of that object to help with the placement of my object. And I want it really, these objects to fill the page. Okay, so I have something like that. And then my other handle is going to go out somewhere like that. So it's very lightly sketched. It's in that gesture style, and it's getting just the general layout, the general forms of the object. Okay, now what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to come back in creating that contour line drawing of this object. So remember, with the contour line drawing, you use smooth lines and you're going to show that detail of that object. So I'm going to come back in drawing carefully, drawing the actual lines that I see in this object. Okay, so I'm starting with this top plane, and it's actually this outline of the top plane. You can see I have now this inner ring here. Okay, and I have this detail here with the connection of my scissors. I could even see like a little reflection, and I would draw that reflection as a line. I might even have a little bit right here. Okay, now I'm going to start looking at this side of the plane, this side of the scissors. So another plane. And when I get further away, kind of gets a little bit larger, and it kind of wraps around that ending right here on the object. Okay, and notice that I have a side plane here which starts out there and it's going to end right about here. Okay, so you can see I'm starting to create that three-dimensional, not only the top but also the side view. Okay, and then I would continue on, and then what we can do after we complete this object, we start adding our other objects as well.